Good morning students, this is Priyanka Bansal from SKM Public School. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter of our partnership account, that is retirement of a partner. As we have started this chapter in the class also, in that we have done only basic introduction. Today I am going to start this chapter that what is retirement of a partner. Retirement of a partner means when a partner leaves the firm. Okay, means when the partner left our partnership firm, that means he is getting the retired. This retirement can be done with the will of, we can say with the consent of all the partners who are members in the partnership firm, or this retirement can be as per the partnership deed. Means if the partnership deed is having the concept regarding the retirement of a partner, then as per the deed, the partner can get the retirement from the partnership. Okay, so when partner get retired, then there is change in PSR. When a partners get retired, there is change in PSR at the time of admission also. This we have done in the term 1. But in the term 2, we are discussing about the retirement of a partner. Retirement means when the partner is leaving our partnership. When the partner will leave the partnership, or we can say when the partner will leave the business, at that time there will be change in PSR. Means there will be change in profit sharing ratio of the partners who continues the business after getting the retirement of that particular पार्टनर. ठीक है, कि जब एक पार्टनर क्या है रिटायरमेंट लेगा, तो उसके बाद में जो पार्टनर्स बच जाते हैं, दे विल कंटिन्यू द पार्टनरशिप फर्म एंड देयर विल बी चेंज इन प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. बट दिस चेंज इन प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो इज नॉट फिक्स्ड दैट देयर विल बी चेंज. देयर विल बी change in profit sharing ratio is not compulsory because there are the separate cases. Case 1, when there is no agreement. When there is no agreement, it means when there is no agreement in the partnership deed regarding the change in PSR. Regarding the change in PSR, that if a partner will get the retirement and there is no information regarding the profit sharing ratio of the remaining partner, then the new profit sharing ratio, the new PSR will be same as old profit sharing ratio. Okay, when there is no agreement, or we can say when there is no information regarding the new PSR, when there is no information regarding the change in PSR, at that time the new profit sharing ratio of the remaining partners will be the same as the old profit sharing ratio. Okay, क्या मतलब है कि अगर कुछ भी चेंज, बट इसका मीन्स ये नहीं है कि उनको कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा नहीं मिलेगा. सपोज the profit earned by the partners. Suppose there are 3 partners. Okay, first of all we will suppose that there are 3 partners A, B and C, and they are sharing the profits in the ratio of 2 to 1. Okay, they are sharing the profits in the ratio of 2 to 1, or we can say that they are sharing the profits in 2-1-1. They can share, or we can say that they are sharing the profits equally. Okay, so this is a condition that is related to existing firm. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 3 partners हैं A, B and C, and they are sharing the profits equally. They can share in any ratio. Suppose they are sharing the profits in profit and losses in equal ratio. C get retired. And there is no information regarding the change in PSR. There is no information regarding the change in PSR. Then the new profit sharing ratio, new PSR for the remaining partner. Who will be the remaining partner? A and B will be the same as earlier. Okay, there we can consider it that 2 1 1. Then also the new profit sharing ratio will be same. There will be no change in the profit sharing ratio between the remaining partners if there is no information given. Okay, and suppose the profits earned during the year are rupees 9,000. Okay, suppose earlier, before getting the retirement of C, they were sharing the profit equally and they will get 3,000 each. They will get 3,000 each. And when the C get retired, then the profit will be divided between A and B only, and it will be 4,500 each. So let's comparison that earlier they were earning the profits 3,000 each and now they are getting 4,500. There is increase in profit received by A and B, that is rupees 1,500. Okay, so there is that changes in the profit and the profit shared by the remaining partner, but the ratio is same. There is no change in the ratio. Suppose if there is that profit sharing, we have done this concept as per the equal sharing. Okay, suppose there was the ratio of 2:1:1. There was the ratio of 2:1:1 means they were sharing the profits in the ratio of 2:1:1. Okay, then also there will be change in profit received by the remaining partners, but they will share the profit in which ratio? In 2:1. And we see that both the partners are gaining. We see that both the partners are gaining because they are receiving the additional amount of 1,500 each. Okay, so the gaining partner will compensate the retiring partner. Okay, in the ratio in which they gain. जिस रेशो में उन्होंने गेन किया है उसी रेशो में वो क्या करेंगे? C जो एक रिटायरिंग पार्टनर है, A and B will compensate to the C in return. In which return we can say this is the consideration paid for getting the share of C in the profits. ठीक है, उन्होंने C का शेयर क्या है, प्रॉफिट्स का शेयर रिसीव किया है, तो बदले में वो क्या करेंगे? They will compensate to the C, okay, by paying the amount of goodwill. So this case was related to when there is no agreement, or we can say there is no information regarding the profit sharing ratio. Then the old ratio will become the new profit sharing ratio. And when there is information given, when the information is given, okay, when the information is given, at that time the ratio, the new profit sharing ratio, the new PSR will be calculated as per the new condition. Okay, so first of all today we will do the question of case 1. Okay, today now we will do the numerical question related to case 1. So there is a question with me that A, B and C are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 3:1. A, B and C. Okay, they are sharing profits in the ratio of 3:1. This is the profit sharing ratio between A, B, C. Find the gaining ratio if A retires, B retires and C retires. Okay, there are three conditions. Condition 1 says that A retires. Condition B says that B retires, and the condition C says that the C retires. In this way, we have to find the gaining ratio. Keep one thing in mind, that the gaining ratio will be equal to the that profit sharing ratio, because they will gain, because the remaining partners will gain the share of sacrificing partner or the retiring partner in that ratio only. Okay, suppose in first condition Okay, then the leftover partners will be B and C, and they will share the profits in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, so there is no information given. In that case, the gaining ratio will be equal to the profit sharing ratio only, and the gaining ratio in the condition 1 will be 2:1. In the condition B, if the B retires, then the remaining partners will be A and C, and they will share the profits in 3:1. Okay, they will share the profits in 3:1, and the 3:1 will become the gaining ratio for the A and C. Okay, and the condition C says that if the C retires, okay, if the C retires, then A and B will be the remaining partners. Okay, A and B will be the remaining partner, then their profit sharing ratio will be 3:2, because in this there is no agreement. Okay, no agreement means the partnership deed doesn't says anything regarding the profit sharing ratio after the retirement of a partner. So in this case, the gaining ratio will be the 3:2. Okay, so this case is related to when there is no agreement in the partnership deed regarding the sharing of profit after the retirement of a partner. So students, try to solve the questions, and tomorrow we will discuss the case 2 when there is agreement regarding the change in PSR after the retirement of a partner. Okay, so thank you.